Okay, here we are. See new lights, and you can see, just looks like the same one except it's silver. You can see the little mosaic patterns. I don't think the color's coming through very well, but anyway, you can see all new bright lights, same blue door, but I think that's gonna be Elizabeth Arden red. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, here, doors. Okay, not complete, but that'll give you an idea of what we're going for. See, nice little inlay stoop. I don't know what we're doing here. And big door. See, that's better. And 3 seconds. Okay, we haven't finished. You see that gray area? Well, that's gonna be wood, I guess. But anyway, one last look. That is my lobby, and that step is gonna change too. And Yellow Jacket is pulling me, and I'm about to lose my sweatpants. Goodbye.